All diseases begin in the gut. Here's how to heal yours. Introduction. Did you know that your gut health could be the key to solving your most frustrating health issues? From anxiety, fatigue, and stubborn weight gain to sleep disturbances and skin problems, an unhealthy gut could be silently causing havoc in your body. I was shocked when I discovered that the solution was incredibly simple and that all the necessary ingredients were already in my kitchen. No expensive supplements, no complicated diets, just a few strategic food combinations that completely transformed my gut health. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore your gut health and give it the essential nutrients it desperately needs. Think of this as letting your gut order exactly what it wants. And trust me, it will thank you. The gut health crisis. How we got here. In one word, modern lifestyle. Processed foods loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and chemical additives are destroying our gut microbiome. Chronic stress and poor sleep weaken our digestive system. Sedentary lifestyles slow down metabolism and gut function. Would you believe that 40% of the world's population struggles with gut-related health issues? The good news? Most gut problems can be reversed with the right diet and lifestyle changes. Signs your gut needs help. Wondering if your gut is out of balance? Look out for these common warning signs. Constant fatigue, your gut isn't absorbing nutrients properly. Unexplained joint pain. Inflammation caused by gut imbalances. Anxiety and depression, your gut and brain are connected. Skin issues, acne, eczema, rashes, poor gut health leads to inflammation. Unexplained weight changes, your gut affects metabolism and fat storage. Bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea, classic signs of an imbalanced gut. If any of these sound familiar, don't worry, I've got science-backed solutions to heal your gut naturally. The gut healing formula. Nutrient-rich foods. Science tells us that a healthy gut needs fiber, cleanses the gut and regulates digestion. Antioxidants fights inflammation and protects gut lining. Probiotics promotes good bacteria for better digestion. Enzymes aids in breaking down food for nutrient absorption. Think of your body like a house, it needs regular cleaning. These nutrients act as internal detoxifiers, removing toxins and rebalancing gut bacteria to restore your health from within. 3 powerful gut healing juice recipes. Not everyone has time to prepare perfect gut-friendly meals every day. That's why I'm sharing my 3 go-to gut healing elixirs that will cleanse, repair, and nourish your digestive system. 1. Detoxifying Gut Cleanser. Ingredients: 1 apple fiber for digestion. 2 celery stalks natural detoxifier. 1 cucumber hydration and gut soothing. 1 tsp grated ginger anti-inflammatory. 1 liter of water. Instructions: blend everything until smooth. Drink liter in the morning on an empty stomach and the rest in the afternoon. 2. Digestive booster beet juice. Ingredients: 1 unpeeled beet gut cleansing fiber. 1 unpeeled carrot antioxidants and vitamin A. 1 tsp grated ginger anti-inflammatory. Half lemon alkalizing and digestion boosting. 1 liter of water. Instructions: blend, strain if needed, and drink twice a day, morning and afternoon. 3. Chia Gut Healing Elixir. Ingredients: 1-2 ts chia seeds fiber and omega-3s. 1 liter water. Half lemon juice. Gut pH balance. Instructions: soak chia seeds overnight, then mix with lemon juice and drink in the morning. You can also blend it with fruits like strawberries or bananas. Why these juices work: apple, celery, and cucumber hydrates and provides gut-friendly fiber. Ginger reduces inflammation and boosts digestion. Beets and carrots flush out toxins and protect intestinal cells. Chia seeds promote bowel regularity and reduce gut inflammation. Lemon balances gut pH and aids digestion. These juices flood your gut with essential nutrients, repair gut lining, and balance gut bacteria without expensive supplements. How to use these juices for maximum results: drink 1 juice first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for better absorption. Have another serving in the afternoon to keep gut-friendly nutrients flowing. Start slow if you're new to high-fiber foods. Your gut needs time to adjust. Conclusion: by making simple changes like these, you can restore your gut health, boost your energy, and feel better than ever. Remember, health starts in the gut. Give these juices a try and let me know how you feel. And if you want more science-backed health tips, check out the next video on your screen now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more life-changing health hacks.